The focus of Child Life is always to bring normalcy to a very abnormal experience for our patients. It's not normal to be in the hospital, especially not on a holiday like Halloween. So we want to make sure our patients and families still feel kind of that fun and festivity of the holiday. Unfortunately this year, because of the pandemic, we have to kind of flip everything around that we normally do. So this year, instead of the kids coming to us, we're bringing trick-or-treating to them. So we are doing a reverse trick-or-treating just to maintain social distancing and make sure we're living up to the high standards set by our leadership, really for patient safety.
I cannot say enough good things about Child Life and the difference that it makes for our stay and the joy that I see in her face. Not only have they brought different things for Halloween to try to make this year a little bit normal for us, but they also provided costumes, and that has brought so much joy to her, obviously.
Spirit is such an amazing partner to our Child Life department, so every year in their stores they do a fundraising effort. They ask their customers to donate. All of the proceeds from that fundraising go directly to the Child Life department, so that not only on Halloween, but every day of the year, we can make sure we're giving the absolute best care to our patients and families, and it's all because of Spirit.
We're here today to present 18 AEDs to the Harrisburg Police Bureau. Our emergency department nurses recognize that our Harrisburg Police did not have enough AEDs to match all of their patrol vehicles. We're excited to partner with the UPMC Pinnacle Foundation and the Peyton Walker Foundation to present these AEDs to the Harrisburg Police Department. Our nurses know that having these AEDs available for first responders improves the chances of survival for victims of sudden cardiac arrest in the community.
Brett has made an extraordinary difference here at UPMC Children's Hospital. Over 10 years, he raised $1 million. And we're grateful for that, but truly what Brett has brought to UPMC Children's is his personality. You know, he's very humble, his humility, treats people with dignity and respect, and truly what he has done is connected Pittsburgh with UPMC Children's and brought smiles to many patients here just by visiting the kids and spending time with them, and we're so grateful for that.
And through his fundraising, he has helped us support our cancer program that takes care of children from our region and from all over. His advocacy brings awareness to what we do here and the special care that's delivered, and he united a community, including the Steeler Nation, in all that he did to support children.
It's just really heartwarming to know that, you know, fans would spend time and come out and make a difference for this great hospital and these great kids. Coming in and seeing the miracles that happen in here every day really made me want to make a difference. This is for everyone that was involved with Sheer to Beard over the last 10 years, the patients, the nurses, the doctors, the behind the scenes, the families that go through it, the support system, everybody. We did it together. We can do and move mountains if we work together and set goals and work to make them happen.